Diving into the 9 easiest faceless YouTube niches to get rich in 2025. That's right, you don't need to show your face to make it big on YouTube anymore. We're talking about niches where you can rake in views, subscribers, and of course that sweet, sweet YouTube money, all while staying completely anonymous. We've got a killer lineup of niches that are not only super easy to get started with, but they're also projected to explode in popularity in the coming years. I'm talking about niches that are practically begging for creators to come in and dominate. We're gonna break down each niche one by one, giving you the inside scoop on what makes them so great and how you can start your own faceless YouTube empire. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this money. First up, we've got ASMR. This niche is absolutely blowing up right now, and for good reason. People are obsessed with those tingly, relaxing sounds that make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside. The best part, you don't need to show your face at all. All you need is a good microphone and some creative sounds. Think about it. Tapping on different objects, whispering softly, crinkling paper, even eating food. The possibilities are endless. You can find tons of ASMR videos on YouTube to get inspiration, but don't be afraid to experiment and find your own unique style. Next, we've got meditation and relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, more and more people are searching for ways to de-stress and find their inner peace. That's where you come in. You can create guided meditation videos with soothing voiceovers and calming music. You can even create videos with nature sounds or binaural beats to help people relax and fall asleep. This niche is all about creating a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere, and you don't need to show your face to do it. Are you a natural storyteller with a knack for animation? Then this niche is for you. Animated stories and explainer videos are incredibly popular on YouTube, and you don't need to be a professional animator to create them. There are tons of free and affordable animation software programs available online that make it easy to bring your ideas to life. You can create animated characters, tell engaging stories, and even explain complex topics in a fun and engaging way. Chapter 4. Tech Reviews and Unboxings. Be the Gadget Guru. Everybody loves new gadgets, and tech reviews and unboxing videos are a great way to tap into that excitement. You can review smartphones, laptops, headphones, gaming consoles, you name it. Just focus on the product itself, showcasing its features and benefits, and keep your face out of the frame. People are mainly interested in seeing the product up close and personal, so you don't need to worry about being on camera. Chapter 5. Cooking and Recipe Videos. Become a culinary mastermind. Calling all foodies. Cooking and recipe videos are a YouTube staple, and you don't need to show your face to create them. Simply set up your camera above your cooking station and film your culinary creations from a top-down perspective. You can share your favorite recipes, offer cooking tips and tricks, and even create themed cooking videos. People love to watch delicious food being prepared, and you can become their go-to source for culinary inspiration. Chapter 6. Gaming. Conquer the digital world. Gaming is more popular than ever, and there's a huge audience for Let's Plays, game reviews, and other gaming-related content. The beauty of this niche is that you can focus entirely on the gameplay, keeping your face hidden while your voice and commentary take center stage. Record your gameplay, provide insightful commentary, and engage with your viewers in the comments section. You can even create tutorials and walkthroughs to help other gamers improve their skills. Chapter 7. Educational Content. Become the online professor. Are you an expert in a particular subject? Share your knowledge with the world through educational content. You can create videos on anything from history and science to language learning and personal finance. Use screen recordings, slideshows, and voiceovers to deliver your message effectively. You can even create animated explainer videos to make complex topics more engaging and accessible. The possibilities are endless, and you can become a trusted source of information in your chosen field. Chapter 8. Music and Soundscapes. Compose your way to success. Musicians and sound designers, this one's for you. You can create amazing music and soundscapes without ever showing your face. Upload your tracks to YouTube and let the music speak for itself. You can create relaxing ambient music, upbeat electronic beats, epic orchestral scores, or anything in between. You can even create soundscapes for specific purposes, like meditation, studying, or relaxation. Chapter 9. Health and Fitness Tips. Be the virtual fitness guru. In a world increasingly focused on health and wellness, fitness content is more popular than ever. You can share workout routines, exercise tutorials, and healthy living tips, all without showing your face. Demonstrate exercises from different angles, focusing on proper form and technique. You can even create voiceover guides to walk viewers through each workout step by step. Start your faceless YouTube journey today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. We just dropped 9 awesome faceless YouTube niches that are primed for success in 2025. Remember, you don't need to show your face to make it big on YouTube. Just choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content, and be consistent with your uploads. The world of faceless YouTube is waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start creating, and I'll see you at the top.